Did you know Kannada alphabets has only 49 letters? Namaskar. Kannada alphabets. You know how many Kannada alphabets are there? There are 49 Kannada alphabets are there. Kannada alphabets, also called Kannada Varnamale. In Kannada Varnamale, 3 types are there. One is Swaragalu, two are there, and Yogavahakagalu 2 and Vyanjanagalu 34. First letter A, E, U, U. Next, Ru, Ye, I, O, Ow. Any doubts? DM or leave a comment below. I'm happy to teach you Kannada. Okay. And next class, we will learn remaining Kannada alphabets. Until ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.